True's top-of-the-line Specification Series cabinets are available with the Correctional Facility Package. This unit is designed to secure the cabinet and its components from any unintended purposes, essential in maintaining a safe kitchen environment. Along with its other high-quality features such as lifetime guaranteed cam lift door hinges, solid metal door handle, exterior digital temp display, and LED lighting, the Correctional model has many additional features. Correctional safety features include security screws, hinges without covers, locking hasps, tray slides and pilasters in fixed welded racks, seismic flange legs, heavy-duty clear polycarbonate security light cover, tamper-proof rain shield, hinge locking thermostat control cover, stainless steel thermal breaker, and mesh screening. These key correction facility options will help ensure that your facility will maintain a safe and secure working environment. Keep in mind that the correctional facility options are for solid, full door models only. Please contact your local food service equipment provider for more information. Certain features and benefits may vary by country or location. True's Correctional Facility Spec Series.